Hey guys, today I'm gonna talk about this Wavlink triple display docking station, okay? It's basically a review. So you see that I have 3 monitors working already back there with my laptop, which is a Dell laptop, and it works pretty fine. This docking station here supports one HDMI connection and 2 DisplayPorts without any software. So I don't need any software to manage the displays here. So you see that I have it connected to my laptop using this USB-C cable. Okay, the cable comes with the docking station, and you just need to connect to the USB-C port here and it starts working. But you need to have this port here with the alt mode. Just be aware of this, right? Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Wavlink has different docking stations. If you have a different laptop, like I have here, I have a Dell laptop that I was testing. This one doesn't work with this docking station because this laptop here doesn't have the alt mode port. Okay, if you have a laptop like this one without the alt mode port, then you need to use a different docking station like this one. I have here this Wavlink that works with the DisplayLink software. Okay, I have another video showing this docking station, explaining how it works, basically using the software. So today I'm not using this one, I'm using a different one here that doesn't need any software, okay? So let me just approach here camera so I can show how it works. There we go. So I have here the docking station. In front of the docking station I have a button to power it on and off with an LED that it shows that's on. USB-A port here. So basically it's 10 gigabits per second, another 10 gigabits per second USB-C, and a connector here for headphones and microphones. Here on the back, you see, I have connection for HDMI port, DisplayPort, and another DisplayPort, and also connection here for USB-A fast connection, Ethernet port, and here connection for the power supply and the USB-C cable that goes to the laptop. So it works pretty fine. You see here, pretty nice. Here's the brand, Wavlink, and it's working. Now just show here on the computer the way it works. So basically, if I come here and enable any screen here, see that I can move from screen to screen. There we go. Let me just grab this again. There we go, better now, right? You see the resolution there? It's lower comparing to the other screens. There we go. And I have a limitation on my computer as well that I can't have like a high resolution on the third monitor, right? There's a limitation here on the docking station, okay? But there is also a limitation on my computer, which drops down the resolution even more. So be aware of that. It's not the docking station fault that I have a so lower resolution back there. I was testing, updating drivers, updating the Windows and everything else. Then I found out that I have a limitation here on my laptop, okay? And I have also the limitation here with the docking station that I can have, for example, 1920 by 1080 with this monitor, 1920 by 1080 here as well, and back there 1280 by 720 if I want to have 3 monitors like this. If I don't, if I just want to use 2 monitors, then I can have 4K and 4K. For my laptop specifically, I cannot use 4 screens, but that depends again on your laptop, right? Mine here, I just need to turn it off. The screen here, I just need to turn it off. Then I can have 3 external monitors working. Let me just show here that I can just come to the main screen, for example, on the display settings. And here I see all the monitors, right? So I have monitors from 1 to 4. Let me just click here to identify. And you see that's working, 4 of them. And then if I want to use the monitor here, I need to just come here to the display and extend the display, right? You see that changes. Right now I have this screen working, this one and this one. Now you see that I have higher resolution working on the external monitors, and it's working here, right? It's going to revert in a while by itself because I didn't confirm that I want to use that way. Then you see that comes back, turn this off, and then I have this 3 working that way, Okay, let me just approach the other camera here again. There we go. So I have here system display with 3 monitors. You have here the monitor number 1. That's the one for the laptop itself. That's off right now. You see here that I have the display disconnected. So just need to come here and disconnect the display that way, right? And then I have the number 4 with lower resolution, which is the last monitor back there. And then the display number 3 and number 2, okay? Then I can rearrange the way I want here, like if I have the laptop working, let me just come here, see for example, that I'm going to extend the display again one more time. Then you see that changes, you see back there. Now I can use my laptop, right? Then if I want to use this way, I just need to rearrange the displays here, okay? If I don't, it just comes back to the previous configuration and it works with the 3 external monitors. So super simple, okay? And it works pretty well. And it comes with everything that you need here to see how it works. So basically here you have the information about each port, how they work, the system configuration, Windows 10 or later, macOS as well. It works differently for macOS. See here you have the single display mode with the resolution that you can use, okay? Then if you want to use that different way, you can just check here for dual display. There we go, with dual display, works differently. And you see it back there at 1920 by 1080 with dual display ports and DisplayPort HDMI, 1920 by 1080 as well. The resolution are the same for both monitors. And if you come here with triple display, then it changes, 1920 by 1080 at 30 Hz. And one of them, the HDMI, for example, 1280 by 720 at 60 Hz, right? All the information, how it works. You see here the note if you want to use 3 display with your PC laptop. Okay, just make sure that you have the alt mode port, including with your PC. And if you want to use the display on your laptop, you need to make sure that supports for display as well. So guys, just make sure that you have your laptop and the DisplayPort working the way you want. You need to check the specs, right? So otherwise it's not gonna work the way you expect, right? So it's working pretty fine here. Just be aware of the limitations. And if you want to have work in a different way with the DisplayLink software, just grab another Wavlink docking station, this one for example, okay? Right now I'm just talking about this one that I'm gonna leave the link here in the description, so you can have triple display docking station with some limitations like the resolution for the last monitor back there, but it works pretty fine without any software. I'm testing here on Windows and it works also for Mac with some limitations as well, right? But it works pretty good, okay? This is the Wavlink docking station. I highly recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, please leave your comments here, your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.